Gronieri. Maza, but I know that I'm about to fool be trouble anymore. Mechanical, no crow we are making a better Nassa Entramuda. Pulling agents now, Modio Mokot now. So when you're pulling agent, Mobadio Mudin, Nemunio Macasada.
No. Your friend is saying, so far, the number of Unkofo Mawu on Quanta South, especially Kerry and Kwano, they are more than 20 people. So what are we fighting for?
And to comedians, they say there's another confusion in the NDC as a party. Many of the internal NDC party, the confusion, they are food soldiers, they are communicators, and the party executive. There's serious confusion in the same idea. NDC communicator about NIT FM, Massa, or Tini Sony, Hunimus was so many Hunimus, so didn't you say, party, and treating them company this one. Well, you know what I see, now is NDC Padmo. Padmo Sabat TikTok, kind of concept. At NDC 4 members, and no more. There baby, I know it. I have Penyah media. Mess was an idiom. Like a video, not about subscribers and some click about the face and updates. Not to add me, I'm comments, mess for us over so not she will also any action. 80 Nipa wouldn't can start to complain. As an NDC person almost hardline. A prophet Naja Gayezi in 2024 December. Yeah, 2 year. That next Sunday. Nanka Naja Gayezi S% can Thanksgiving service. Yamin can best at one on them. But NDC was starting free, also been passed for them. No and then their confusion starting a was so funny. Omo year campaign, a year campaign where NDC are so for confusion started. Naja Gayezi started by being able to answer.
If the NDC is in power today, it's because of certain things I did, some deep things I did. I travel out of Ghana. I travel out of Ghana on my own resources. Go to all the regions back to back for the last 8.5 years. So this year I'm not talking plenty. I am going to watch, but may they not forget this altar. And the Bible says we should give honor to whom honor is due. I repeat it again. I nearly died. This my son and myself, the last Ethiopia plane. We were in it with a big man. I'll not mention it now. It came, brought us to Ghana on TV. But I went to Israel with my son to go and do deep things. For the NDC have become attractive. I know a lot of things that we have done. So to the NDC fraternity, may they uphold righteousness. May they not attack the church.
That was when a confusion in NDC started between NDC as a party and Omo supported party, a dedicated to Omo time and will be a supported party. Now 2025, somewhere in April late, May, and $1 started to say from Emu and NDC Padmo. Padmo every video back say, oh, wow, $1 piano. Tina foot to an anchor $6 no ever breast cities. Just wow, this car a digger, it will be done to be a $1 in the digger. And Captain Papa Moa says some Sicano, a yes, because at the end of May, dollar will fall below 9 cities.
But the amity Sisian, I can tell you as a businessman, by the end of May, dollar never my main country, a moon tea near Coso. Nay, and she share a Coso and Cofu Diego Aquine. So who keep $1 now? Your dollar when you as a businessman. Listen, you better change your dollar into CD. I'm telling you, by the end of this month, from where I'm sitting, I can tell you boldly, say dollar no ever 9 CD.
Okay, same way. Emo kai crowd. I'm for ever count tie. I can be children say, oh, master, that don't cano anything Emma 9 CD. Any possible. Emo saba with another video say, hey, mo. Sebo mochiche. Every source because of them to know who get you. Okay, you be there. And also I say, hey, TMA. By the end of July will be dollar will fall below 4 cities.
Maybe I can't dollar once. The catcher say by the end of this May, dollar no back 9 cities. And the about Mama make country by July ending what them back 4.2.
What I say? May no dollar into man below 9 cities. In for sure. 10 cities and June and Timanko below 10 cities. But I was in July, dollar will fall below 4 cities. Now, Padmo, I'm not doing come here. I will say, and cabin shame, make rather than Mother, Miss me die, Papa. Padmo kana kosem say that way in nature na unia any da bibi so but I don't know about say NDC didn't have more any no better TikTok kana kosem na say the Padmo see can one work as you say or fight the ma NDC food soldiers but me we want say be Padmo or koneko or come on no ane ho
gro ni maza me de nya ofera me ba beta fo obi to aba hwehwe ni mo meka no kro we am ikin e betena sesa entwamuda pulling agents now mo de omukot now so mo nye pulling agent mo ba ji omudin no na mo ne omakasada wo be to abanatia mo members nankasa mo party for NDC for nankasa se won to mo nko abrekuma no for na mo nko ye mo ver mo ntna senjimi o mo nko na mo nko ye chama say do get ya go and check what is happening on the ground and yes Rabna will lose na be ye nudu asiama mo members no se won to abano omo influence from abuso kan kokompe atia som kokompe and mo call off kokompe for no say one person will be one NDC no gra or hobby because of idea GR for the year oh to me ye dey anyansafo na gi to me ye gigigigi mo free say mframa bi na abo na to me na aba da bi o people were working behind amanfo ye adwuma amanfo ye adwuma inse se mo be dom ase no man dom ase do arabna se mo ma arabna position bi anka she will be able arabna minim how arabna suffer arabna minim se wo prayer so timi mama na kapre munya position wi ahoho na mo sesa position na mo se mo open number one was about Petumia Kamutumi who parliament and then between me a form of government can a bear Monsabeka. And then once a year, ye Petuminti MPC in Ase, Omu PF, you are pulling agent. You see how power is good. Munya power, no Rabna, what me a kind. Minyashu was a board of Grandma and Bisu on Goda, Baba Sadik. Man kai Baba Sadik, man fi Baba Sadik, mu ye wicked. Baba Sadik, atimi akọ contest ya spend the eye enough. Man timi amfa Baba Sadik and shebe bi how wicked this administration is. Ye go kan amase mayenka, me hi obi abibia o. Wo mo awoye la sulala na be baba na ntia be pamocho. Me mpo obi acha won mpo obi acha otna, but I will speak the truth. One day once I count 2 days na to me free unza. So that time you respect people. You respect energies. Baba said, Semutimi Bua Baba Sadik, and a Mobua Kion, the Mobua Rabranka, Munjaima district constituency no more election. Because they will be able to win this seat without talking. And then a Jiago from a former say, oh, now Baba pulling agent, we are from who wouldn't be omoted. Ubaba from some Metwaba. No, man. We are you pulling again. Yeah, you can count, you can verify, you can do, but Omo better now, we are the number. Wouldn't be omote. Abregumas not one, a be walk out way south, a be of Baba Sadik. What you say? Nipani be Titimusa, we are then got your mobile. These 3 MPs. Then, my mom went to me a moment. A rabna we mo de board manum po da so and can no benya bibi kakra de akofom and can any problem. And me say a problem o we dem trust in Jimmy. There is a serious problem there. Mo bibi a mo koye ni sisi a mo own party members no se want to. Me dem better America o. I'm not scared of anybody here. Me meyela la sulala e me o na bo man bibi kakra o bi say why man be ma Usham na baba me afama me ni mabra bobo dada tinye nne na me be la sudala abrabono yemfa nko bebe anokre betna sida nokre na mechanism once me share am powerful than you hold your money stolen money one day na mo ye nyina so mo hwe one day say na mo twen NPP for no sa na mo so betwe mu one day almost over tremo into position be there man be careful. na ya onyoma ye because one day you are a politician wa asembe ye mbobo. Me, I'm still here. I am still here. And I will say it because Munyina move to NDC. A rabana, a call election of Barbesia, Bray, Morini, Modern Crawford, ya ambassador. No more Guru, and I'm an uncle, and no more ambassadors, or more constituency where he found a more form of government. Today you see, me a rabana can come in court. Baba Sadek, then the Maya Baba Sadek, even Kyo no we knew then the Maya. One more Tio, Baba Sadek Tio, and a modern call for Baba Sadek entertainment, then the Maya Baba Sadek. How can you people be so wicked? Today, more yako we need it. From 1 year, this is any more the president and Kasako no quiet door to door. We are some Muslim boy, Montana Monhadi. And politicians, we are not living in the days of 1994. We are in 21st century. We are in 21st century. We are in a global world, digital world. We are saying politicians, when you be a dealer, make sure you fulfill your promises. And yes, sir, the internet is here to expose everybody. And nobody is scared or afraid of anybody. Who yani papa 24-hour economy ni ade na mo lunch one set enko media no so ayedi unim TikTokers no mepi amam no mai din obi aso nkasa and no mo nkasa enko ade ende waye ba say ye kwa akotire mu akire nkrofon wan na ebe yes adwuma
Padmo kuma no won gumo bia one Kazabobia or Kufa or Kunekun. Padmo Kunekun. Now, on this particular issue, send someone Padmo can be and then the NDC Communicators are what needs FM. The honor and I work at a Tipa NDC party in the amount for name was NDC for the only a ready for Papa NDC a ready for a name of the amount for Palma and Nemono. No.
Your friend is saying, Godwin Edrusi Tamak, so friend Quanta. So for the regional deputy secretary to go through this personal hassle because of a conflict in that area. And as you see, I walk and say, Nana, Yetimi Abunitu. How? One young man, if you can was here, Yetimi Hashifino. Na conflict. How do we deal with conflict such that young men are feeling they are exposed to such conflict? Tell us a little bit, Master Courage, Ibrahim, and tell us what is the underlying or that's the immediate cause of this conflict here.
We did Kerry, Bawa, Kumuni, other part of the district. No mushroom microphone, no Yako. That's why I should have Padias, I should show you microphones in Yako. Family worker say, after I say, she me fear shoot to me and I've been my and brother, me and nobody that me, I was she done in Nama, meaning in Asha. My meaning in Asha, I can't think one. So far, the number of Nkwanta South, especially Kerry and Kwano, they are more than 20 people. What is the root cause of all this? It's all about Nkwanta Township, who owns it. Of Ameno, sometimes I don't speak to the substance of issues like this. The community honor, as a believer, meaning say, me bad the job, me quite the job. Me as I say, I'm not interested in it. The minimum say, you mess around me and Sabe Command, and many baby can cry down my dear chin, and then I media. Because what you always say, be Cafra. Oh, what's even 100-bedroom apartment when you come out that why get the Biaco? Banyania as a better who says apartment there. So, what are we fighting for? It's about a first year celebration of young festival Ewon Kwanta. And now a whole same eba issue. And the previous administration
under the regional minister, Honorable Dushambaku, issued directive be said they shouldn't celebrate the festival. Actually, the phone now belong to that tribe. And out of you to know, out of alacrity, kind of zeal, like there's zealous, they've gone to do it and create a problem. And I know the issues are bad and must solve it. And recently, the new administration under my boss, regional minister, or Miami Party chairman, Rexec my directive so Bandi festival celebration activity here on Contact Township until further notice. And the actual group again, Omako said Omoko libation. There's a particular portion of land on Contact. Honomuna Omuton Bayre, commercial sale place where they sell land. Now time memorial no, in Bra there are no issues, you know. Before by a full by a full market, they go to post on libation there to thank the ancestors and then for the harvest and then December. But the fact that they ban all activities, they thought say they are for shading one of banning, but that libation it is permissible and no massacre creating a trigger issue. As to no matter any wrong or a right, or more maritally any wrong or a right, no, I have no idea. But maybe issue is offer. I didn't know how to create a problem in kitchen now. Gunshot album. Then all of a sudden a stray bullet. Secondary school near Colebon Fantasy High School. I got Chomok. Abofrana got Chomok, be innocent Abofra in a bullet be hit Abofran who in a cold blood. For unfortunate, Abofrana, or a Congo money. So this ropes in compromise into the matter and are creating a lot of problems. Now, the aspect of my own government failure in this particular matter, I am a regional minister, me MC, because even me fear Yashi is not my problem. I believe that this is vanity, and anything vanity is not for me. Life. No matter the situation of everybody know my stand on human rights issue. Because when I pursue my master's degree in law, I specialize in international human rights law. And I'm very passionate about human rights. No matter the offense or phobia of her, Nipa have a right to be heard. Nipa have a right to protect his life. And bra, me in particular, me fear ya sheno. Me nya intel see ya kwa kwa shi me fear. Me friend me MC, me friend me regional minister, me say me pamucho. This is my lifetime investment. My bread, Mr. Phil, when NDC was in opposition, 2 times regional executive officer, party bar by Munya, my year financing and me financing me party in my small cycles. The commitment on this radio and any other many other platforms. Now, Sabika Fraka Crown, so I'm yaming me sweat. I am at India to there. Me parent inform Mutin to Mumpa and I'm protected. They are going to ban it. Oman fee, they keep playing games with my mind. They keep playing games with my emotions. Oh my God. The people went there. Me fresh soldier phone. Omo rashi koho. Omo kona kofona jai. How can military form here intermittent operation in a volatile area? Every 2 minutes they kill more than 3 people. Every minute they burn houses. There is a particular community called Power. Who call Munda is a ghost town. I feel if you know Mushida, me try for Omashidi Bia. Empty town. No house to be seen. I catch them with me suggest my minister say. So bring men no mon bosswa. Call for reinforcement. Station the men at the places. Because if no we are perpetrators of these heinous crimes. So they withdraw. So it's like over. They say baby to say but in the course we are so your phone back on Bejai. Before so your phone no hana but in the course we baby to say la pass. And before we free one musuno, our my friends Mumbra Hano, Mufia no Peno Masabaha. Maybe some minister confirming to me. His colleague regional executive said he has numbers over 400 military men. Now contest South municipality where you hina 400 military men. And as now many they are still shooting, killing people, burning for houses. Oluma me na ya shooting 70 something. This is 9 yana want to man gane. Or need them be shini fie na ya yi na bonu choku na za shini fie na kan. Mami abruwa over 80 years or yaro ntimi ndwane ya be shit ne bada a odam na ahye ma meni nyina aka ne tin ko ana eda ho obi bia de na chai kro no and when you call them people some people fear leadership, political leadership from Accra, they are lying to them all is well. All is well. Meanwhile, lives are going down. People are dying of famine who can say, you say, Obi wa attacking point to be now or Jania. Everybody has the right to life. People should have freedom of movement. Apart from police barrier, and a particular fashion are setting illegal police barrier. So what the public transport to, what the private transport to, ever stop Ukano, Yabisa we deni, wasn't your casa weni, go back. Go so that you be attacked. Police forge in a hop, or Mutibichi or Bino Mina or Marina Fikamu, no more than Aqua Bono, no police farmer on West Coast, no more Bunipano, no more videos, and some number police phone. Of a send video be. So we share a video, ya Bemba, ya yin hunina, Abun, when I have done so gunuso, and I saw fun and come for on form do some running. This is a title holder of a community.
A video of Bema, you know, naked. The dead baby Gusuna supposedly
or patch out for his life.
Or patch on Bema for also to me in the Bema and or Junso Edigo so. Na man instructions now the Johnson I will hold and name my become energy. Now such human degradation and we're gonna
offer colonization era for your colonizing and did they treat them to this extent? Offer I am not bothered say you shit me Abraham Boy for me personal house. If you are me my bressy you shit in my own NDC government or put me sacrifices in now. My 3 ministers, all my soldier for me, no one me fear. This is a house I spent over 500,000 Ghana cedis. Nobody mind me.
So
I am
personal property.
My personal property. I have no value in NDC. Nobody respects me. Now me be different party, a different government. Now me be with my intellectual capacity. It's of no value to the party. Someone to me, mommy, shimpo. And mommy found for my suffering now. And this is for can't you protect my house too? A regional deputy secretary of a ruling government. I couldn't get just a military man or two to help protect my property. I didn't know. One pan I won't throw be a man in you call. What my friend defense minister after that because and I'm in Crawford because I am the only person there who is a regional executive officer in the party government. Pressure damage so. My people are calling me left, right. My friend defense minister, after the deputy, after Minya Mustafa Bani, deputy director operations for the presidency, offering me a region. My friend Munina to come to my rescue. Obianfi of an military. This is Mama sorry, my brother woman. If you went Kwanaya, if you are my boy Braka Kramasia, yeah, Miss Midi, a car, Miss Mikabi said. And then Kurana said, a room Ramina Missania scam hide and wakra. Become grown many babiadano. I saw that in a mutual video machine in Nano.
I just say a deputy.
What is my crime?
Secretary of the NDC in the whole Uti region. Na municipality in Quantaho and internal rife conflict. Say Yakugun Sao by from Ebra Abba. Now, yes, subjecting nipa to the human degradation, and the targeted whole deputy secretary, no, fear Kakrana, what me see, no, Yama Opapa, and old Opapa, or grandfather, Yabuni too, and a grandmother, Yashino, and a fear no social action. And now you are led to believe that you over 200 military men.
Also, according to my regional minister on a phone call, he had over 400 military men. Now, 400 military men, was a small municipality, couldn't protect lives of Aminukasa as we speak. So, friend or minister, now friend, but inform Quantasa don't bed in the crowd, and pregnant women are sleeping in the bush. And Bofra, a month for a call labor, our bush. And for a week now, and member and Bofran and Baumudan Uram. In this weather, people are sleeping in the bush.
Mamini Deputy General Secretary.
But I said my AC, so serious. I'm sorry.
Mamini Deputy General Secretary.
So confusion then is battling the meaning that to be so first I'm here the Penyah blog media there. A see baby I met Tam Kufu abedwamo. Eda be some more. Wadama say kutu say bam. I Penyah blog media. Beto atiraje ama me e wo conversation. Akra.